In this video, I will show you how you can buy meme coins on crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app, and then you have to click on this second option, accounts, from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to set up your fiat wallet or your cash wallet, and then you have to deposit some money so that you can purchase some meme coins. So first of all, deposit some money in your fiat. After you have the money in your wallet, then you need to click on this trade option, and then you have to click on this buy option from this pop-up. Then in the search bar you have to search for the meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or any other meme coin that you want to buy, and from here select the meme coin from the search results, and then you can simply enter the amount how much you want to purchase, and then you can select your payment method or your cash amount if you have deposited some money in your cash account. And once you have selected a payment method, click on this buy button at the bottom of your screen, and that's it, your meme coin will be purchased in your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.